Hello, children. I hope you are healthy and safe. Today, you're going to study about magnets, types, and properties of magnets and magnetic field around a magnet. The property of certain substances that can attract some metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt is called magnetism. We know that magnetite is a naturally occurring mineral that has magnetic properties. It is also called lodestone. Magnets are materials that attract substances made of steel, iron, cobalt, and nickel. The force with which a magnet attracts objects is called magnetic force of the magnet. An important aspect of magnetism is that this is a non-contact force. Natural magnets are weak and not available in required shapes. Artificial magnets are strong and can be made in almost any shape. They can be made into round bars, rectangular bars, horseshoes, rings, etc. Now let us learn about the types of magnets. Natural magnets. Certain naturally occurring rocks or parts of rocks having magnetic properties. These are called natural magnets. They have relatively weak attractive and directive property. Lodestones are natural magnets. Artificial magnets. When a magnetic substance such as a piece of iron is rubbed with a lodestone, the iron piece acquires magnetism. Such a magnet is called artificial magnet. Artificial magnets can be made of different shapes to suit the requirement of its use. Permanent magnets. Certain types of artificial magnets that retain their magnetism for a long time, they are called permanent magnets. Permanent magnets are usually made of steel or other kind of alloys. Temporary magnets. When a magnetic material is brought near a permanent magnet, it acquires induced magnetism. Thus, it becomes a temporary magnet. As the permanent magnet is removed, the magnetic material loses its property. Uses of magnets. Lodestones were used to indicate direction in navigation in older times. Nowadays, magnetic compass is used for the same purpose. Permanent magnets are used in door latches. Electromagnets are used in electric bells and buzzers, in cranes for lifting heavy loads at dockyards and in different electrical appliances. Maglev is a means of transport where vehicles move in a magnetic field. Credit cards and ATM cards have a magnetic strip that stores information. Properties of magnets. Attractive and repulsive property. Magnets can attract magnetic objects and attract or repel other magnets only up to a certain distance from the magnet. This area of influence is called the magnetic field of the magnet. For example, magnets attract objects of iron, cobalt, and nickel and their alloys. When a magnet and some iron paper pins are kept on different sides of the cardboard, the iron paper pins get attracted to the magnet and cling to the cardboard. This indicates that magnets can exert their property through materials like paper, plastic, cloth, etc. This indicates that magnetism is a non-contact force. Attraction of poles. The force of attraction of a magnet is greater at its poles than in the middle. Directional property. If a bar magnet is suspended by a thread and if it is free to rotate, its south pole will move towards the north pole of the earth and vice versa. When a string is tied in the middle of a bar magnet and is hanged freely, you will see it comes to rest in one particular direction on every occasion, that is geographical north-south. This indicates that a freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in the north-south direction. This is the directive property of magnets. Magnetic poles always exist in pairs. We cannot separate one magnetic pole from the other. They always exist in pairs. If a bar magnet by any chance gets broken, each piece behaves as a separate magnet with its own north and south poles. Both the poles of a magnet have the same strength of magnetism. Like poles repel and unlike poles attract.
Our topic for today is magnetic field.
You are late again. Hurry up. Something is wrong.
The region surrounding a magnet in which the force of the magnet can be experienced is called its magnetic field.
Seems like a nice spot to relax. It's an alien ship. We must be careful. Run!
Take a bar magnet and keep it on a table.
Wow, such a colorful spacecraft. Let's go there. Activating transparent sheet.
Keep a transparent sheet on top of the magnet. Now, take some iron filings. And sprinkle them on the paper.
Arrange yourselves properly.
The iron filings will start arranging in a definite pattern around the magnet. This pattern is called a magnetic field. The lines along which the iron filings arrange are called magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines show the direction and strength of the magnetic field. Magnetic field lines always start from the north pole of the magnet and end at the south pole. Inside the magnet, their direction is from the south pole to the north pole. Thus, the field lines form closed loops. Field lines never cross or intersect each other. The closeness of the magnetic field lines tells us about the strength of the magnetic field in that area. The more closely packed lines indicate a stronger magnetic field. Therefore, we can see more iron filings sticking at the poles. As the lines spread out, the magnetic field weakens.
Why did I come here?
That was the best time of my life.
You had an amazing experience.
Yes, I miss my friends.
Students, I hope this video has helped you in learning about magnets, types and properties of magnets and magnetic field around a magnet.